Now let's get the latest on the weather. Here's David Brain.
Thank you, Jane. Good evening to you. We've had a smashing weekend with plenty of sunshine, and in fact, for the next couple of days, it remains fine and sunny. Wet and windy still though for the northwest of Scotland, and then for all of us, come the middle part of the week, and especially into Thursday, it all changes and we find much more unsettled conditions. Let's have a look at what's happening right now. You can see that rope of cloud that's been affecting parts of the northern half of the United Kingdom. A little bit of rain coming in out of that as well. Now, for most of England, Wales, southern Scotland and also Northern Ireland, it's dry but rather cloudy. But that cloud is producing some rain in the north of Scotland, probably continuing overnight tonight. Not just wet here either, it's fairly windy, a strong to gale force southwesterly breeze affecting the far north of the United Kingdom. But for the rest of us, it should be a fine, dry night, a chilly one as well. A little bit of mist and fog forming. And how chilly? Well, as low as 2 degrees in a few places. That's cold enough for a touch of frost. But in the cities and around the coast, holding up at around 9 or 10 degrees. So tomorrow's forecast is pretty good. Fair amount of dry, fine weather, some sunshine to enjoy as well. It's a shame we've got to go back to work. Still some more cloud affecting parts of northern Scotland and a few spots of rain here. Still quite breezy, with those winds slowly easing. At the same time, the rain tending to drift away as well. Still rather cloudy here. For the rest of us, though, it should be a fine day with that sunshine and a top temperature of 20 or 21, perhaps a 22 in the far southeast. Now, it does change over the next few days. This front tries to get in from the west, and at the same time as we move through Tuesday and Wednesday, we find low pressure starting to take charge. So a few heavy showers turning up, then eventually on Thursday, that weather front moves through. That brings a spell of wet and windy weather to most of us. A few showers dotted around the south on Tuesday. As I say, through Wednesday and Thursday, much more unsettled. Jane.
David, thanks very much. A reminder of our main news tonight. Thousands of teachers and other school staff will be unable to start work this week. The Home Office has admitted that security checks won't be completed in time. That's the latest. There's news, of course, throughout the night over on BBC News 24. But from us, a very good night. Bye-bye.
Witness the events of September the 11th from the perspective of the firefighters. An exclusive documentary, 9/11, this September the 11th, BBC1.
And this is BBC1.